Hey there, let's see how you can manually withdraw all the connection requests sent in bulk. First of all, go to Invitations and then select the LinkedIn account from which you want to delete the connection requests. After that, select the appropriate date range. Then click on the checkbox just beside the name. After this, click on Select All. All the 79 leads will be selected. You can navigate through different pages to see whether the leads are selected or not. Then simply click on Withdraw. After clicking, all of your requests will be withdrawn. Also, you can withdraw the connection request automatically which are not accepted within 30 days. For that, first go to the settings, then go to Manage Invitation. You will see this interface. Here in the invitation sent column, turn on this flag. If this flag is activated, all of your sent invitations will be automatically withdrawn after 30 days. You can change the number of days as per your wish, then go to Save option. This way, you can automatically withdraw all of your connection requests if not accepted within 30 days. Thank you.